Today I'm making a quick potato salad to pair with fried chicken for dinner. This recipe is for 5 to 6 servings. The ingredients we needed are 900 grams of Holland potatoes, washed, cooked and cut into cubes. I will show you how to prepare them later. 1 stalk of spring onions, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of coarse black pepper, and 1 cup of shredded carrot. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. First, put all the potato in the pot. These are Holland potatoes. They are well suited for the potato salad for their textures and taste. Add in about 1.5 liters of water and ensure that they are submerged in the water. Tilt the lid and boil it for 40 minutes or until cooked and soft. This is to allow the steam to escape and prevent water from overflowing. After 40 minutes, the potatoes are cooked and the water has reduced. Poke the potato with a fork. If it can go through, the potato is cooked. Alright, switch off the heat. Remove them from the pot. Leave aside for 30 minutes or until cool. Once they are cool, peel off the skin. Use a small knife to cut the skin and remove it, like this. Remove any black spot on the potato with the tips. Then add it into a mixing bowl. Continue with the rest of the potato and repeat until complete. Next, cut the potato into 1-inch cubes or bite-sized pieces. Alright, these are finished. Then, add the shredded carrot, cut spring onions, salt, black pepper, sugar, lemon juice, and mayonnaise. Mix until well combined. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, this is really good. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Put it in the fridge for a few hours as it is best eaten chilled. I would make it in the afternoon to serve with fried chicken for dinner. Alternatively, cover the bowl with cling wrap and place it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. When serving, garnish with some cut spring onions. Let's eat! Yes, it's really good and delicious. The potatoes are soft and goes well with the seasoning. Perfect with fried chicken and coleslaw. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.